Hello guys, welcome to another of my videos. Today I'm preparing an easy and quick way of making some orange cake, which is great for breakfast. You can make it for your kids or an easy afternoon snack. So here you go. First of all, you need some fresh oranges. You need some sugar, some baking powder, some all-purpose flour, maybe some little essence just to enrich the cake, and also you can add in some orange zest. You can add that into it. And for this video, what we are looking at here is me preparing and cleaning out the oranges, which I'm going to also blend. When you're using your oranges, do try and get you some seedless oranges, which are the best ones for making desserts. After that, we're going to have some cooking oil, which you're going to add into this blended oranges, and also we are going to add in some sugar. So I'm going to add in 1 piece of egg, and we're going to blend this into a smooth paste. This paste is then going to be transferred into a mixing bowl, and I'm going to strain this paste so that we can get rid of any orange shavings that probably might be stuck in, or probably the blender did not do such a good job, so it's good to strain it out. After that, I'm going to add in my baking flour, all-purpose flour in my case, which I'm also mixing with some baking powder. After which I'm going to mix this all in gradually using my spatula, a plastic one in this case, which are best for using when you're using a glass bowl. And once you mix it all in and combine it together, I'm going to add in some little milk, since the mixture is going to be a bit thick. And after that, we're going to transfer this into some nicely aligned baking tins. Mine are quite small because this is just for a small number of packs. And after that, I'm going to just pound them a little bit just to get rid of any bubbles that may be left inside. And after that, I'm going to put them in the oven and bake them at about 280 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes or so, and the cake will be ready. As you can see from the video, this is the end result, which you're going to place it in a rack if you have one, then take off the baking paper, and that's the end result. Do enjoy.